So let's say you want to go ahead and create out a custom template that you want to save out. Let's say, for example, I have some shapes right here, just like this, and I'm going to go ahead and fill it out with a color, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste this out right here. So let's say what I want to do is, let's say, for example, save this out right here, save this particular graphics that I have as a custom template. In that case, you can go around onto the file menu, and then you can simply go ahead and, let's say, for example, choose to save as template. Once you do that, what happens is that you can choose where you want to save it out. So over here in the template section, you can see that I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube custom template right here, just like this. So once you do that, click on save, and then what happens is that you can see that you can change the template properties, choose around, let's say, for example, this is a single one. So, and you can go ahead and add in asset name as well. So I'm going to say TutorTube template right here, just like this, and add in tags so that you can easily search as well. You can also choose a category on where you want to keep it. So let's say I'm going to keep it under business cards and press save. So now whenever you actually go ahead and click on new from template right here, then you will be able to see the custom template right here, just like this. So if I were to go around under business card, then you can see that this template that we made is now under the template. And that is how you can go ahead and create out a custom template as you like inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.